33-year-old man gunned down in Portmore amid state of emergency in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Amidst the imposition of a state of emergency in St. Catherine, a man was shot and succumbed to his injuries by unknown assailants in Cumberland, Portmore, in the parish on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as Wilton Graham of Cumberland Address. Reports are that sometime after 10 p.m., residents heard loud explosions and summoned the police. On the arrival of the police, Graham was seen suffering from what appears to be bullet wounds to the upper part of his body. He was assisted to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Early on Friday, in wake of the announcement of a state of emergency by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the body of another man was found at a car wash on Johns Road in Spanish Town by residents. Police said that the victim was found with multiple gunshot wounds. On Saturday as well, a decomposing body was found in bushes along a section of the Edward Seaga Highway, close to the entrance of the exit of the Mandela Highway in St. Catherine by the police. In announcing the state of emergency on Friday, Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness, said that the terrorism that is being experienced in some communities in Spanish Town was as a result of a level of organized criminal activities amongst gangs operating in the old capital. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson, in providing another perspective on the criminal situation in St. Catherine, said that the rising number of murders and shootings in St. Catherine North Police Division has spread to St. Catherine South Police Division, including Portmore and Old Harbour. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.